Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to schedule send an email in Outlook. If you are used to using an earlier version of Outlook, you might be familiar with delay delivery. But actually, in the latest version of Outlook, it is no longer there. For example, if I'm sending an email, and in older version of Outlook, we could go to options and then look for delay delivery, but it is not there. So what can we do? Now don't worry. Notice that next to the send button, there is this drop down arrow. Click on that and you will see that there's an option for you to schedule send your email at a later time. So click on it. So you can schedule send. I usually click on this option tomorrow morning because sending an email first thing in the morning will ensure that it has the highest opening rate. But you can also set up your own schedule. For example, I know this particular manager who always goes out for lunch, come back, have a quick nap, and then gets back at her desk at precisely 1:30 p.m. So I'm going to schedule send my email there to make sure that whenever she gets up from her beauty nap, my email could be the first email that she sees in her inbox. All right, so after that, click send. Oh yeah, I need to add a subject, important, budget meeting. All right, so click send. It will send the mail immediately. Click on schedule send. The last chosen time is 1:30 p.m. All right, click on that and then select send. All right, and there's this notice here that the Outlook will schedule our email to be sent tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. So the thing that I like about schedule send is that in a lot of cases, it can help us ensure that our email has a higher success rate, has a higher chance of opening, because in a lot of cases, we might have an important email that we want to reach out to an important stakeholder, let it be our boss, our manager, our partner, customer, or investor. Now, these people are always very busy and don't really have time to be glued at their desk the whole day. So depending on our earlier insight, then we can schedule our email to be sent at a particular time that will ensure the highest rate of opening by that person. Alright, so I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.